this is the 20-cent box version number 2. I never did version number 1, so hopefully this one's just so much better and amazing. All right, let's open that up. All right, as you wish, we have our 20-cent box here. I have no idea what the point and purpose of this puzzle is. See, there's a screw there. I could maybe open up the box that way. But I don't think that's the point. I think the point is to get inside this box. And somehow open it. And we're not given a lot of information. So let's take a look at it. 20-cent box. It's really cool looking, honestly. I like the I like how we have metal rods here. I assume I'm not supposed to unscrew them, although I'm gonna try. Ha ha ha. Does the 20-cent piece fit in there? No. There's little notches on this 20-cent piece. I wonder if that has something to do with it. Ooh, I did that and I pushed down. Oh, I might have just broken this. I pushed down like this and that thing popped off. Is that supposed to happen? I don't think it was, because that looks like it was supposed to be glued there. Okay, how about we stop doing that? This is like the second puzzle I've broken. So I really think that there's going to be a key that I put up in there, and I think that key is right there. I can see it. So there's a key in there. Ooh. Got it. Okay. Cool. What? It's a double key. I don't know if it's meant to have come apart, sort of silicone together. Alright. So that doesn't do anything. Is that... What the heck? Looks like they're silicone together or something. Oh. Okay, so I have to get those apart. I don't know if this is the right way to do this, but I'm going to stop the video right now because the way I am doing this puzzle is actually breaking it. Don't take these out. These are not meant to come out. You can solve the puzzle and open it up without taking those apart. So I just wanted to make sure to let you know that and pause the video to tell you, you can see a full solution of the correct way to solve this video on my Jim Solves Everything puzzle channel. However, if you want to see how I continue to destroy this puzzle by taking apart the wrong way, definitely keep watching this video. Alright, bye. They definitely needed to come apart. And I definitely don't have fingernails to do it. Alright. I'm pretty sure that there was a way to do this puzzle that wouldn't involve me taking it completely apart, but since I can't figure out any other way, I'm just going to go with it and see what happens. Okay, that one comes off. The puzzle people are like, why are you doing this to my puzzle? Like, I spent years designing this like highly intellectual puzzle and you're just taking it apart like willy-nilly. Oh, that has a magnet on it. Okay. Huh. Well, I think it confirmed the fact that this, I did break it when I pushed down on that. Okay. So the magnet held the keys. So smacking them actually was probably the right thing to do to get the keys out of there. This is not coming apart, this piece, so I assume that one, no, those ones are turning with the other side, so I wonder if that's, like, was that it? Did I solve the puzzle, or? Either way, I took it apart. I'll definitely have to download the solution from Puzzle Master and see if I did this the wrong way. Well, YouTube, quick update. I did get an official solution for the 20 cent, and my way of taking it apart was absolutely not the right way. I totally broke the puzzle. There is a better solution, a full solution, and I encourage you to jump over to my Jim Solves Everything YouTube channel. It's puzzle exclusive videos, and I will have the solution, the actual solution of the way you should solve this puzzle on that channel posted Friday of the same week that I post this one, my reaction video, and my first solution on my main channel. Hope that was helpful for you. Have a great day, guys. Bye-bye.